With KeepKey, you are able to safely and securely shift between your digital assets all within your wallet. The process is as simple as sending a transaction. You will need to have your digital asset accounts already set up before shifting. For example, if you want to convert Bitcoin into Ethereum, your wallet will need an account for each. Let's start shifting. Once you have logged into your KeepKey wallet, select the asset you would like to convert from. Click Send. Select the receiving account of your choice. When an account is selected, the text will change from Send into Convert Bitcoin Send. Select amount and click Convert and Send. Enter your PIN. You will then be asked to confirm the ShapeShift transaction summary and agreement to the ShapeShift terms and conditions of use with your KeepKey. Next, confirm transaction summary on your KeepKey device. That's it! You have successfully exchanged within your wallet.